This is Jeremy here, and a friend of mine needed his truck to be a little more visible. He does construction and tree work, and he wanted something that would make it really stand out when he's having to be either in, blocking traffic or on the side of the road or something. So he found the Z Flash module. It's pretty cool. Very easy to install. It really just plugs into the OBD port, and that's pretty much it. It integrates into the truck. No real work to do. It's got some different patterns on it, all controllable from the key fob. So if I hit the unlock button, it'll change the pattern. Takes a second to figure what it's doing. So now you can see a pattern change on that. Click on the fob and it will switch over and have a different effect on it. Now clearly, running the headlights in a wig-wag pattern, it's probably illegal running on a highway. It's usually reserved for law enforcement, but there are some patterns that do not flash the headlights. And again, if you're parked stationary, and check your laws and see what works for you. But like I said, just kind of can flip through some of the options. It does the front, and it also will do the rear. And like I said, just a click of the unlock button. Here you can see in the back, it's flashing all the lights as well. So you got a strobe pattern there. You can change it up a little bit and kind of get an idea of what's going on there. Again, super easy to install. It is just plugging in a USB dongle right there. There's what comes with it. It actually comes with a remote mounted switch if you want, but really I don't see any need for that. You can also use the headlights, the high beam switch to turn it off and on, and that's pretty much it. But again, see, now they're off. On the high beam switch back, just got the lights on the key fob. If I hit unlock, unlock, lock, unlock, turns them on again. Hit the lock button, turns them off. Very simple, very easy to install. I am not sponsored by Z Flash, but I will put a link to the module in the comments. So if you were to make a purchase on that from Amazon, I will get a small commission. Thanks for watching.